Wagwan family. So today, I share with you how I make this honey garlic salmon meal. Here, I have 2 cups of rice. I wash it, add water, butter, and some seasoning. Here, I'm going to make the avocado salsa. So I cut up the avocado, put some sweet pepper, red onion, tomato, cilantro. Here, I squeeze some lime juice. Now, I add some salt and pepper and mix it. Now the rice just need to fluff. So I'm just going to fluff it, make it continue to steam. For the salmon, the easiest way to peel off the skin when it's so small is just use some warm water and peel it right off. Just like that. Now I'm going to cut the salmon in 2 pieces. I'm going to season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. I season the back and the front also. To my pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pieces of salted butter, add fresh thyme and garlic. I make it cook on each side for 4 minutes. Now I flip them over. Time to take them out. Going to add butter, garlic. Just make the garlic cook a little bit. Then I add a tablespoon of green seasoning. Now I'm going to season with my all-purpose seasoning, not too much seasoning. Now I'm going to add the honey. Mix it. Here I add some pineapple juice. Now I add in the salmon them. So I coat them in the sauce for like 5 minutes. So here I'm serving it. Look at this, my people. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.